Good morning, class 4. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will start copywork of chapter Packaged for Winter. First of all, we will start word meaning of this chapter, make title page of this chapter, then next page draw a margin line, center line, write words and meaning. First word is chipmunk, chip, chip, munk, monk, chipmunk, a small mammal that lives in America. A small mammal that lives in America. Number 2 word is grouse, grouse, grouse. A small bird with a fat body. A small bird with a fat body. Number 3rd word is hoof, hoof, hoof. The hard foot of an animal such as deer or horse. The hard foot of an animal such as deer or horse. Acorn, acorn, acorn. The nut of the oak tree. The nut of the oak tree. Gobble, gobble, gobble. To eat quickly and greedily. To eat quickly and greedily. After this, we will do short question answer. We will start from new page. Write exercise C on the corner. You can copy down the question from your book. Read the text and answer the following questions. Do all acorns chase the same? How do you know? Do all acorns chase the same? How do you know? Answer is no, because the writer says some have a bitter flavor. No, because the writer says some have a bitter flavor. Number 2 question is, name 3 kinds of birds that eat acorns. Name 3 kinds of birds that eat acorns. Duck, grouse, turkeys. D-U-C-K duck, D-U-C-K duck, G-R-O-U-S-E grouse, G-R-O-U-S-E grouse, T-U-R-K-E-Y-S turkeys, T-U-R-K-E-Y-S turkeys. Number 3rd question is, where do chipmunks live? In burrows, I-N-B-U-R-R-O-W-S. Number 4 question is, what kind of animal picks acorns of the trees? What kind of animal pick acorns of the trees? Answer is bears. Answer is bears, B-E-A-R-S, bears. Number 5 question is, what does an acorn grow into? What does an acorn grow into? An oak tree. N-O-A-K, oak, T-R-W, tree, an oak tree. After this exercise D, long question answer, you have to start from new page. Answer the following questions. Exercise D. You can copy down the questions from your book as well. In what 2 ways does the writer tell us that acorns are hard? In what 2 ways does the writer tell us that acorns are hard? Number 1 is, they are softened by water. They are softened by water. S-O-F-T-E-N-E-D, softened. Number 2 is, they have a hard smell. They have a hard smell. Number 2 question is, what does the writer mean when she says that the world is empty in winter? The world is empty in winter. Answer is, there is not much around for animals to eat. There is not much around for animals to eat. After this, read the following statement and decide whether they are true or false. Start from new page. There are true or false here. Insects hide under bark and in the ground. This is true. Insects hide under bark and in the ground. This is true. Every acorn contains 2 seeds within it. This is false. There is plenty for all the animals to eat. There is plenty for all the animals to eat. This is true. Acorn will help them live through the winter. Acorn will help them live through the winter. This is true. Acorns have soft shells. This is false. After this last activity, write down the antonyms of the following word. There are, first of all, I am saying word. First word is bitter and unbitter. U-N-B-I-T-T-E-R, unbitter. Inside, outside, tiny, huge, bend, unbend, arrive, go, or you can write leave. I'm again reading bitter, bitter, unbitter, inside, outside, tiny, huge, bend, unbend, arrive. You can write go, or you can write leave. Now your chapter is completed. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.